Our father left us some property in his will. I can't help thinking that it's been divided unfairly. Do you remember what I got? My father has left me this cat. What am I supposed to do with it? You don't have to do anything with me. A talking cat? Did I really hear you speak? Or am I dreaming? My dear master, please don't think that I'm useless. Just wait and see what I do, and you'll be happy that I belong to you. How can I be happy when I've only got a cat and nothing else? You will understand soon. But first, can you get me a pair of boots and a sack? Did you forget that I don't have any money? See if you can find a sack here. We'll get the cobbler to make you a pair of boots. Oh, this is not a sack. Let's look somewhere else. No, this doesn't look like a sack. Thank you. That's exactly what I need. Now that we have the sack, let's go and get a pair of boots from the cobbler. Found a sack? You're a smart fellow. Come, we'll go and see the cobbler. I'll pay him for the boots later. First, I need a bait for the rabbit. What do you think, rabbit? Something else for a rabbit. This is exactly what we need. No rabbit can resist the smell of a fresh cabbage. Get ready. When the rabbit comes closer, catch it. Got you. Thanks for your help. I will take this rabbit to the castle and offer it to the king. Thanks. Master, I have a great idea. All you need to do is go and bathe in the river. I will take care of the rest. Well, all right. That's easy. While he's bathing, I need to hide his clothes. Can you think of a good place to hide them? The coach with the king, the princess, and my master will be here soon. I have to wake up the ogre right away. It looks like this noise isn't enough to wake him up. I don't think we would wake him up this way. Let's try something else. I don't think we would wake him up this way. Let's try something else.
What? Who woke me up? What are you doing here, cat? How dare you disturb me?
I have heard that you are a master of magic and can turn into any animal. Is that true?
That's true indeed. I can prove it if you have any doubt.
I would like to see. Can you do it? Remember, if the ogre turns into an elephant, he could break up his castle, and then my master gets nothing. If we ask the ogre to turn into a mouse right away, he would guess, "Turn into a lion, please."
No problem.
Whoa, how scary. Enough. I believe you. I really believe you now.
Well, did I prove how great I am?
Indeed, indeed. But if I ask you to turn into a tiny mouse, I bet you'll not be able to do it.
That's so easy. Watch me.
Help me catch this mouse before it turns into an ogre again. Hooray! Now my master owns this castle. I'm smart and handsome. You're so zip. I'll catch you. I'm the one and only Puss in Boots.